So we just landed, all successfully.
Hola amigos! Today we are filming at Playa Cayo Santa Maria. We are here for the second time. Why? Because we wanted to show you something new, very exciting.
Hi, my name is Kathy. I work in the customer service from Luxury. We have now 2 new services in Playa Cayo Santa Maria. We have Luxury area and we have Playa Kids.
Is there anything special about the luxury guest that is different from the others?
We have airport transportation when you arrive. We have lobster include a lunch and dinner. You're going to enjoy it. We have a free massage, 30 minutes of free massage. We have a private beach, special only for the luxury guests. We have a swimming pool for luxury guests. They enjoy it.
And now let's go and see everything. And I can see that we have a newly renovated reception. Actually, all the lobby is totally different, renovated. I love it so far. And what else do we have here? That is an amazing place.
Yes, it's only for our luxury guests.
I see here a lot of bottles of wine. What can you do with them?
Normally, in this area, we sell the bottle of wine.
So I can come here with friends and we can choose which one and we buy it.
Yes, you can do it.
Amazing. I'm at the reservation desk. Here you can reserve the a la carte restaurants. Whatever you wanted to book, this is the place where you can come, choose your restaurants and book it. I see that the lobby is so beautifully renovated and we have a newly renovated bar that looks amazing. It's really, really, really high end now. I can tell. The difference is so big. And what else we are going to see, my dear?
You have to see the new cigar bar. You're going to love it. Really, I'm going to show you.
I can't wait, let's go. And let's see the most famous cigar bar. Thank you so much.
You're ready.
Ooh, thank you. Oh wow, I feel like in a Lego store, so many choices. We are at one of the best cigar bars that I have ever seen. And I have here the bartender and the person who is going to tell me everything about the services, what is included and what not.
Okay, my name is Hanoi. I am the sommelier in this cigar bar.
If I'm a luxury customer, is everything here included?
No.
No? What is included?
This song is extra drinks.
These are the extra drinks.
Yeah, and the rest is included for luxury.
And for the other guests who are not luxury, nothing is included.
Nothing is included, but if another guest buy me some cigars and want to smoke here, he can do it.
Is that like a complimentary round for the cigar if they
Exactly,
buy it? Okay.
exactly.
Now I got it. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Coming out of the cigar bar and I see something new, a new station. What is this for?
There they prepare natural juice.
It's a very nice place with fresh juices where you can refresh yourself. Lovely. And let me show you the Playa Kids. I see a very interesting building. What is this?
This is Playa Kids. This is a special area for family and their kids. They're going to love this.
Looks like and feels that everything is made for the kids to feel and make them comfortable and enjoy. 60 rooms available for you, and I hear that there is more to come. 4 more buildings will be in total, right? You have to tell me about the babysitting.
It's included, you don't have to pay.
So you don't pay it at all for the babysitting. You just need to call and request it. We spoke about the kids. We know what about them. But how about the adults? What are you going to do?
The family, the parents that normally pay this area, the Playa Kids, they have the luxury include.
That is so amazing. You pay for the Playa Kids, but you enjoy all the luxury services. That's so cool. such a beautiful place. What is this?
This is the swimming pool, only for, for our luxury guests. They have a spectacular bar there. They prepare excellent drinks.
And I can tell that that is included for everybody that pays the luxury service. And I have a friend that I just met again because last year we were here, and thank you so much for hosting us again.
Welcome back.
Thank you so much, my
For
dear.
the luxury services, we have included as a spa, a free massage, which is for 30 minutes, back and neck massage.
Thank you so much, Nurelis. She's amazing, and I can tell that I'm enjoying so much so far. And we are at a very beautiful restaurant. It looks very luxury to me. Can you explain?
Yes, this restaurant is only for the luxury guests. It's spectacular. Here you got to have the breakfast, the lunch, and dinner.
I'm telling you guys, luxury food, that is so crazy. I cannot believe my eyes.
We had a great time with our chef today at the Japanese restaurant. Your special dinner is included here. You just need to make a reservation. And it's very good. Thank you so much, sir. It's so good. Nice meeting you. What is your name?
Reiko.
Reiko makes
Reiko
very good.
Yamamoto.
And after the hibachi restaurant, I'm going to show you one more place where you can have a dinner. That is La Casa del Pescador, or the fish restaurant. And this place is included during the day for lunch, also for dinner. All of the people from Playa Luxury can use it, and they can actually have a nice dinner with a lobster here. The rest of the people need to make a reservation and pay again for their dinner. The best lobster that we have ever had. And why? Because Lazaro was cooking for us. Thank you so much, chef. It was so good food. And thank you so much, Wilfredo, who was our server and who did an amazing job making us smile all the time and serving everything on time. Thank you so much, both of you. Gracias. Aww. Now I'm going to enjoy some ice cream, guys. Sorry for you. But I also will enjoy some sweets because I love them. Can I get my ice cream? Oh, thank you. Ice cream. And there's like different toppings if you want. There is like strawberries, chocolate, and that is vanilla topping as well. But I like it plain because it's delicious. And I just met someone who is a customer of the hotel and will tell me what experience does he have here in the hotel.
What I would say, I'm so happy. The resort improved, especially luxury section. We're so happy to stay here, and I hope everything is gonna be even better in the future.
And how about the food?
Listen, we are in Cuba. I cannot complain. I didn't expect that the food is gonna be so great this time.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
No
you
problem.
so much. And guys, don't forget, you've heard it from a customer here, so we are waiting for you.
Yes.
And guys, I have to introduce Yamiwa, who works in a sales department. She's part of our team. She is the cameraman assistant. Now, let's show you the beach. And what kind of room are we going to see now?
The standard luxury room.
It's a very beautiful room. And what is included in the standard luxury room is all of this that you can see here, plus all of this that you can see inside.
Now we're going to see the luxury suite.
Let's go. And guys, I can tell you that it's so worth it. You have to come and see for yourself because all the luxury services are really improved. And that is what I will recommend for sure. Come here, see for yourself, enjoy drinks, good cigars, good time on the beach, and you will never be sorry for that. Guys, I want to tell you that I had such a great experience here, and thank you so much, Katy, for showing us around, and she explained for us, but also for you. And don't forget, buy the package, the luxury one, because it's very well worth it. Don't forget the Playa Kids as well. That is something new, that is very emotional for the kids. And I am telling you, everybody will love it. And thank you so much once again for watching. I'm Daisy, the man behind the camera is Danny, and I had the most amazing person here, Katy, to tell me everything about this luxury. And don't forget, if you want to see more of the rest of the areas of the hotel that are not luxury or not Playa Kids, we actually have another video that you can enjoy watching it. That's from last year, and that will show you all the rest of the services that are here. And I'm sure that you will like it too. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye.